Of course, sir. Hey, sorry.
Okay, sir.
Now, kilo two. No, back as opposed to so the we have the Commissioner of Police here, and
Go for okay. Hold let me stay here. Everybody can stay here. Don't push, man. Come on. We cannot see you. 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 No, we are not ready. Don't go ahead. We cannot see you. We cannot see you. We cannot see you. We cannot see you. Please, just spread out. We cannot see you. We cannot see you. It is wrong. It is wrong. Let him come down now. Come on, calm down. Hold on, guys. What? Hold on. What? Come down and you stay here. Yeah. Hold on. Make it stay. Stop. Wait. But all of you. Hey, don't push me down. Don't push me. Who are these people now? Look at. Easy now. Put down. Put Please, everybody silent. One now.
Someone has to bear the card.
All right.
Thank you very much. What you are just doing is you are just being security conscious and being proactive. You could recollect that on Thursday I had a press conference wherein I listed the security reasons why the rally must not hold. Because you come to realize that some miscreants have perfected plan to seize this opportunity, so to create mayhem in the society. Though the organizers of the rally made frantic efforts to say it will go peacefully, but you and I know that that what happened during the NSAS. NSAS started peacefully, and the miscreants are jacked, and up till now, the command itself, not on Lagos State, too, have not been able to get out of the destruction that happened during that NSAS. Many people whose lives are lost, many police officers who lost their lives, many police stations that are burnt down, personal properties of police officers that are burnt down, some have not gotten out of that. I don't want to allow that. We all know what Lagos is. This is the economic hub of Nigeria. This is the economic hub of even West Africa. Any slightest in Lagos now affects the whole country and West Africa. So that's why we don't want anybody to create any security breach to Lagos. And that's why we advise them not to. So to get this hearing now, they have the right to protest. They have the right now to complain, but the time is not right.
So, sir,
Did you get a protest letter from the protesters, sir?
what are you doing to find the security issues facing Lagos?
Now, protest is legal, but even the family, when you do the right thing at the wrong time, in the wrong way, you get the wrong results. So the environment is not conducive now for any protest in Lagos, because the state is still nursing the devastating effects of NSAS. And let's say they want to come to clarify me here. The intelligence reports indicated that some equally arranged to have it simultaneously at the toll gates at Surulere, Iyanapaja, so even Ikeja the bridge. Even some have permitted plan to go and attack the customers at Senoboda, as they did in Ogun State, and forcefully open the border to people. This is no longer a protest, but they want to hide under that peaceful protest being organized by those who are telling you now to have that. And I lay all this one on the table, the intelligence report. That's why I say it is not conducive now for any rally, any protest in Lagos State.
Sir, are you saying that the police cannot intervene in their fight? Are you saying that the police cannot stop the protest from being hijacked? Are you saying that the police also have the ability to protect people protesters?
It is our duty to protect everybody. When you want to go on something like this now, to let the police know you sit with the police. We are going on protest from social place to social place at social time and doing this.
The spokesperson of the coalition said they've written to the police.
What?
He said they wrote to the police, sir. He confirmed that to me.
It was confirmed, sir. It was confirmed. It was confirmed you received it. It was confirmed you received it.
Are you denying that there was a letter, sir?
Wait, let me. I'll answer you, bro. Let me answer the general. I'll answer you, bro.
Sir, did you receive a protest letter, sir? Did you?
I don't know what to understand by protest letter.
Okay.
What's protest letter?
Sir, will they be tear gassed and arrested if they come out to protest?
Well, I don't know. I don't know.
What solution do you have for
Audio, please. Audio, please. Audio, please. Audio, please.
Check that mic. It's no one.
Please, on the mic.
The mic is not on. Who is holding the mic, please?
CP.
There are procedures in the letter, and there are contents of the letter. So today, you want to protest now, you decide the authority. You want to protest, the likely number of those to be
The mic is not working. Please help us check that mic.
so that
Mic is not working, no.
I'm telling you now the worthless of that letter.
Check the battery, please.
Letter,
But will they be arrested, sir? Will they be tear gassed? Will they be harassed?
What they said they wanted to do was to rally the Blue, you are blocking us.
Sir,
Audio, please. Audio. Audio, please. Audio.
what collaborations do you have? Let us have with Audio,
the content of the letter, if there's any, should let us know from social place to social place. Procession will be. And these are the identity of those to protest. They have this as a uniform to put on. They have this now as a label to put on. So that's the only way we can be able to separate those who are legitimately protesting and the miscreants. Then when you don't put a test one page or rather test, you want to do this one now, they're not even asking for. So you should be able to tell us that we are going from one place to another at social time, and this is clear of those. Anybody that does not wear this uniform is not one of us. You're giving us. And with that one now, you'll be able to protest. Then when you make it an open-ended, it becomes even the security risk for yourself. You'll be able to identify those who are your member.
Sir, will the protesters be harassed and tear gassed and arrested?
You are here now.
They will be arrested.
The president are here. The president are here. You have your identity. You have the communication guidance now. We know you are president.
But the constitution to protest in this
Will
they be arrested and harassed?
Are you saying that the inability of the police to protect the protesters?
So what collaborations does Lagos and Abuja have in protecting our highways? Thank you, sir.
All law-abiding citizens in this country, Lagos, they are highly protected.
Will they be arrested, sir?
Will they be tear gassed, sir?
Will they be arrested and tear gassed and all that?
And harassed, sir?
What's the situation now with him being at large? What's the situation now?
I think the DSS have another question.
Sir, are you saying that the right to peaceful protest of the protesters will be subject to the inability of the police to protect the protesters?
No, that's just a bit so your own imagination. All that. The trouble is that we have to protect everybody. The protesters too have the right to protest it. But what I'm saying is that when we want to go on anything, let it be detailed so that we know that, oh, when you see somebody putting on red, it's our uniform. Somebody putting on blue, it's our uniform. Somebody putting on black, it's our uniform. So when you make it an open-ended gathering, then yourself cannot be able to control it. Definitely have to control
Sir, but all of these requirements that you have outlined are not directly stated in the Constitution.
Yeah. Look, when you talk about Constitution, a law is made with the circumstances of the time the law is made. when you are not implementing the law, the circumstances of the law. For example, the law made maybe in 1960. And you want to implement the law now. There are no social media at that time. So that period. So you need to adapt the law now to enforce it to the circumstances of the environment at the time you are implementing the law.
So you are saying the Commissioner of Police has the power to amend the Constitution? So are you saying that the Commissioner of Police has the power to amend the Constitution?
Not at all. Not at all. I am the law enforcement officer, I'm not a lawmaker. So we don't do that.
So now Yoruba.
Àwọn tó fún ní tajú nígbà 2012 àwọn ọmọ gọ̀fẹ́ tó wà ní àwọn tí wọ́n fi ẹ̀fọ́nú hàn tó bá rí gbogbo amóhùnmáwòrán tá a yà ẹ rí i pé wọ́n kó táyà sọ́nà wọ́n kó ibi sọ́nà gbogbo àwọn tó ń bọ̀ tó láti Ìbàdàn wọn ò rí bí wọlé gbogbo àwọn tó ń bọ̀ láti Maryland láti jáde wọn ò rí bí wọlé a ní kí èèyàn má fi ẹ̀hónú hàn ṣùgbọ́n yẹ ká mọ̀ yí pé ibi tí èèyàn ti ní ààbò lábẹ́ òfin tí ẹ̀kọ́ ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ tí ẹ̀kọ́ parí sí ẹ̀kọ́ ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ẹ lè ní dandan kí àwọn èèyàn so ẹ lè ní dandan no leave them come no my friend come leave there young men leave there so that is all kọ́tà sọ ní pé àti àwọn tí wọ́n fẹ́ fi ẹ̀hónú hàn àti àwọn tí wọ́n fẹ́ jáde ẹ̀tọ́ wa ni láti fún wọn ní ààbò tó péye fún àwọn fúnra wọn. Kámọ́ wà jẹ́ pé kí àwọn ọmọ kọ̀ọ̀lẹ́ kó wá kó sí àdúgbò. Àní wọn lẹ́tọ̀ọ́ tó lé ní ṣùgbọ́n bọ́ ṣe lẹ́tọ̀ọ́ sí bí ebi bá pààrọ̀ láti lọ. Ìdílé lọ kó ìrẹsì fún ọ̀sí kó máa kó sínú. Tó bá kó sínú bí ebi ń pa á lọ ṣe nǹkan tí ò dánú okun ẹ̀. Àní wọn lẹ́tọ̀ọ́ ṣùgbọ́n ní ìlànà òfin ó ní ọ̀nà tó fi náà láti tẹ̀lé. Mo ti sọ síwájú pé tẹ́ bá fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan irú àmì ìdánimọ̀ tá bá fi mọ̀ wípé àwọn ará bíi tó tẹ̀lé ní àwọn èèyàn yìí ni wọ́n kò ní sí ọ̀pọ̀ yẹ kó wà gbogbo ìyẹn lẹ́ẹ̀kọ́ rẹ̀ ti tú ọlọ́pàá létí ibi báyìí kọ́ ni látago báyìí sí aago báyìí bí wọ́n tiẹ̀ lè sọ pàtó oye èèyàn tó máa tẹ̀lé wọn níbi ìwọ́de ìwádìí ìjọba bóyá máa tó bí 100 bóyá tó bí 1000 káà náà bọ́ bá ṣe ìlò ààbò tó péye fún wọn.
Ìkọlù tí wọ́n lọ sí ilé Sunday Igboho kò jẹ́ kí wọ́n ojú ráyè lè ṣe rúùlù tẹ́lẹ̀ sọ nípa yìí ẹni tí wọ́n lọ bá àwọn èèyàn létí tí wọ́n mú 13 nínú wọn kó ló ti lè rújú ráyè sọ pé láti ṣe ìwọ́de.
Ìwọ́n tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yẹn kọmíṣánná ọlọ́pàá ìpòlì ti ní ìlú Ìbàdàn ló ti ṣẹlẹ̀ ìdí kọ́tẹ̀ rẹ̀ gbọ́ pé àwọn ọlọ́pàá tí wọ́n fi wọ́n tọ́ làwọn ṣe
ṣé tí Sunday Igboho bá wá ṣe àwọn kọ́tẹ́ sọ yìí ẹ máa yọ̀ǹda fún ọ láti ṣe ìwọ́de yìí.
tó bá tán sí.
Sir, but a gbọ́ wípé wọ́n ní kí gbogbo kan wọ aṣọ dúdú wálé ní láti ṣe ìwọ́de.
Nígbà tó jọ bẹ́ẹ̀ o àgbọ̀n tó jọ bẹ́ẹ̀ pé wọ́n ní aṣọ gẹ́gẹ́ bí àmì ìdánimọ̀ ní ìjọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tó bá wa sọ tí o bá fẹ́ ṣe irú nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ ó yẹ kó tẹ̀ ọjà ọlọ́pàá o kó tẹ̀ bá wa jókòó káwa jọ jókòó sí nínú bí ọ̀nà báyìí ta nínú wọn tó dé àgọ́ ọlọ́pàá tó dé lọ́jọ́ gbà abẹ́jáde abẹ́kẹ́ fún wa ní ààbò tó pé láti ṣe.
Yes, àwọn náà kọ̀wé sí yín.
àwọn kọ̀wé ránṣẹ́ sí yín. pé èèyàn kan bá a sọ àwọn
ṣùgbọ́n náà fi àtẹ̀jíṣẹ́ ìwé lẹ́tà ránṣẹ́ sí yín.
wọ́n
ti sọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kan.
wọ́n ti ṣàlàyé gbogbo ẹ̀.
Yàtọ̀ sí pé kó kọ lẹ́tà sí.
Báwo ni àpẹẹrẹ máa jókòó pẹ̀ sí ojú ẹ̀?
What's your grouse? It looks like Odua nation. It looks like the protest has begun in earnest. From nowhere, a crowd approached while the interview with the commissioner was going on. But the CP is here. The CP is addressing the protesters as we speak.
not by war. It is by referendum.
What do you want, sir? What do you want?
Foundation. That is what we want. Let us follow together. That is what we want.
Àwọn òbí wa, àwọn fámìlì wa, irú èmi náà wọ́n ní fámìlì, wọ́n ti pa fámìlì ìdákùnlé ní afẹ́, mo bá lọ gba gàrí yóò yóò gbọ́dọ̀ wọn. Lóde, ẹ ṣàánú wa, àṣọ ìyá àjáde, àdáfẹ́ ìdómẹ́tì kọ́ àdáṣe fún wa, kọ́ àdáṣe fún wa, àwọn ọgbẹ́,